Preparing for self-driving vehicles, we need to ensure that the instruments aiming to replace human senses are able to generate equally fast reactions. Intelligence, as we humans have, is needed. Ultra-fast 5G, together with ITS G5 connectivity, enables smart communication between vehicles and novel, real-time services, increasing the vehicle's intelligence and situational awareness. Let's see how it works. Data from the sensors of the car is sent to an MEC server. The data is then analyzed and processed locally. Warnings and information are sent back to cars traveling in the area. Accurate and real-time data is the oil of the intelligence for quick decision-making of the vehicle steering commands and for safety. VTT is the hub for developing revolutionary solutions for broadband and time-critical 5G connectivity, edge computing, and vehicle applications.